Hi developers, in this video we will explore another powerful features of Git, that is Git Patch. If you are a developer, I'm sure you are, then this is something you need to know. So let's begin. What is patch? A Git patch is a file that contains a set of code changes that contains a set of code changes. For example, you have implemented one feature that is related to Google Map, and here you may have written multiple classes, class A, class B, and so on. And you want to share this code with your colleague. What you can do? You can create one patch file called location location underscore changes dot patch, and the extension of this file is dot patch. You can share this patch file with your colleague. This patch file will contain all the changes related to this Google Map. Key uses of Git patch. Number one, share code changes. You can share this patch file with your colleague. Number two, code review. You can also ask for code review. Next, backup changes. You can also store this patch file as a backup. And next, apply changes across branches. Suppose you have implemented this feature in main branch and you want to take the same changes in feature branch. So what you can do? You can apply this patch on this feature branch. Then feature branch will contain all the changes. Let me show you with the help of demo, then you will get more clarity. Here I will open my IDE that is called IntelliJ IDEA. I would like to remind you, if you are not using IntelliJ IDEA and you are using Android Studio, then it's fine. You can also follow same steps in Android. I'm going to open my IDE that is IntelliJ IDEA. So quickly let me open IntelliJ IDEA. So here we have to take clone from GitHub. So let me quickly open my GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account, and here let me select your repo, and here we can see we have multiple repo which we have created in the last video. Here I'm going to create one new repo quickly because we have already seen before. If you have not seen my previous video, please watch my previous video for better understanding. So here I'm just going to create one new repo quickly. New repo patch, and then description. This is my patch demo. Public add readme, and then create repo. Here we can see we have created one repo with name repo patch. The name of this repo is repo patch. Here we can see we have one file that is readme. So quickly let me take clone, copy this URL, and then paste here, and then click on this clone button. We are good to take clone from GitHub. Here we can see close. Here we can see repo patch. This is our repo name. Here we can see, here we have one line of description, that is, this is my patch demo. Now I'm going to show you how we can create a patch file. First, let's do some changes here. Suppose I'm just going to write few sentences here. This is my location related changes 1. Now I'm going to copy this line. So here I have written few sentences. Okay, so we have just updated this readme file. Now I'm going to create one patch file for these changes. How I can do this? I select Git, and then here we have to select patch. Here inside this patch I'll choose create patch from locals, because in our local repository we have written few sentences. So I'm going to select create patch. I click there, and now here you can see the differences. This is our original repo code, and this is our changes. Here we have to give one message, location changes. Okay, so I have given one message, that is location changes. Now in the bottom we have one option, that is create patch. I click there, and then here it is showing me the location of my file. So I'm just leaving default and click on OK. Now you can see successful created patch. So we have created patch successfully for these changes. Let me click on this file show in Explorer. If I click there, then you can see I have created one patch file with name location changes, and the extension of this file is patch. Okay, and then let's go to IDE. Here for these changes we have created one patch file. Now I want to apply this patch in different branch. So let's create quickly one more branch. Here I'm going to create one more branch and then click on new branch here, feature on top of main, create new branch, and then now this time I will choose feature. This feature branch we have same description, that is this is my patch demo. So let's take clone quickly, copy, git clone and paste the same URL and then click on clone. So it's asking about the window, so I'm going to open in new window. Now this time I'm going to select feature branch and then check out. Now we are on feature branch. How we can apply? Now I'm going to tell you how we can apply patch file in feature branch. So again I will choose git and then patch. This time I will choose this time I will choose apply patch because we are going to apply patch file in this feature branch. Okay, so git patch and then apply patch. So if you remember here inside this we have created one patch file. The name of patch file is location change dot patch. Now I have selected this, then click on OK. I click there and then it's asking about the file and then I'm going to click on OK. Here you can see the file name location changes dot patch. I'm going to click on OK. I click there and then you can see we are able to apply patch in this feature branch. So this is how we can create and apply patch in our project. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to see more such videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wish you all the best.